Hey there, meatball lover. Tired of the same old stovetop mess? Get ready to revolutionize your dinner game with these oven-baked meatballs. They're juicy, flavorful, and ridiculously easy. Trust me, you'll never go back to pan frying. All ingredients are in the description, so let's dive in. Alright, let's get started by preheating our oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 190 degrees Celsius. This is going to ensure that our meatballs cook evenly and get that nice, golden brown color. While the oven is heating up, you can start preparing your baking sheet. Line it with some parchment paper and give it a light spray with non-stick cooking spray if you have it. This will make sure our meatballs don't stick and make cleanup a breeze. Next, grab a large mixing bowl and start combining all your ingredients. This includes your ground meat, breadcrumbs, grated parmesan cheese, minced garlic, chopped parsley, egg, milk, salt, pepper, and any other seasonings you love. Mix everything together well, but be careful not to overmix. Overmixing can make the meatballs tough, and we want them to be nice and tender. Now, using a medium cookie scoop or a spoon, start portioning out the meat mixture. You're aiming for about 2 tablespoon-sized balls. Roll them gently in your hands to form the meatballs and place them on your prepared baking sheet. This size is perfect for even cooking and makes them easy to eat. Here's a little tip. Lightly coat your hands with olive oil before you start rolling the meatballs. This helps the meat mixture form better balls and reduces cracking. Plus, it adds a little extra flavor and moisture to the meatballs. Pop the meatballs into the oven and bake them for about 20-22 minutes. You'll want to rotate the pan halfway through the cooking time to ensure they brown evenly. You'll know they're done when they're nicely browned and cooked through. Your kitchen will start to smell amazing as they bake. If you want to take these meatballs to the next level, you can add them to a skillet with some marinara sauce and let them simmer for about 10 minutes. This will coat them in the sauce and infuse them with even more flavor. It's a great way to serve them over pasta or in a sub sandwich. And there you have it. Easy oven-baked meatballs that are perfect for any meal. Enjoy. And that's it. Enjoy this delicious recipe. Before I go, don't forget that there's a link in the video description with the 3 best cookbooks. They will help you cook like a professional chef, with new recipes and great tricks. Click now and improve your cooking skills. See you in the next recipe.